what's up, you guys? This is your girl KW. Welcome back to my channel, and today is Thursday, and I'm going to be going to Walmart to pick up a few things. I'm not getting that much. This will be a daily vlog, so when I make it, it will be posted either today, the same day, or Monday. So we're gonna brush our teeth. You already know. The video won't be long at all. It won't be long at all. I know the last time I came, I said my goal is to at least sell, at least get 2 things sell every month, starting January. Well, I sold more than 2 things. I sold I made probably like 8 sales in January, about 8 or 9 sales in January on my TikTok shop. So that's really good. I made 2 sales. But only thing that's really selling right now is my press ons. I could not find my black one like this one. I had to wear this. I got on joggers, my 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 gray joggers as usual. I like to go comfortable, and I got on this pink shirt, and I did my nails. My press on nails. So we're going to get going, and I will see you guys at Walmart. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to let you know when I'm dropping another video. And in this video, if you're a gamer just like me, drop your your tags on what you play. Like Fortnite and Marvel Rivals is the main 2 games that I play. If you play Fortnite or Rivals, put them in the comments so I can add you so we can run sometimes. So I do stream on YouTube and Twitch. My YouTube and Twitch with the same handle. I will be posting it in this video, but right after this, right after this part right here, I'm gonna post where you can find my streams at on YouTube, right on here, and on Twitch. Okay, and I will see you guys at Walmart. OMG, I thought my mic was on this whole time, you guys. As you can see, that I am at Walmart. I am picking up a fruit thing that I need, and I'm going to try that viral no-bake cheesecake. That's why I really came to Walmart. I got Cuban bread, lettuce, and some other things. The rest of part of the video is going to be covered over with music, because it's not the same. This part is like 7 minutes long. I am done with Walmart. I didn't get too much stuff because I'm still have to go to Walmart this weekend to get my main groceries. I will see you guys when I get home for the grocery haul. I am back from Walmart, and here is a little grocery haul that what I got. I have sandwich meat. I have this. I needed these to make my chili. That's why I was missing the last time. I got two of these. I got nacho cheese. I got two things of Lunchables. I'm about to eat that right now. I got gummy bears. I got two of these to make my no bake cheesecake. I have this. I have this. I got ground beef. I'm leaving this out because I do want some nachos and tacos today. I got strawberry. I have two things of yogurt. I have Doritos. I have um fully cooked chicken strips. I got two of those. I got some more ground beef. I got granola, Scoopy snacks, lettuce, buffalo chicken, and sweet tea. I'm gonna put these things up, and I will see you all in a little bit when I'm gonna make my no bake cheesecake. And this video will be posted today. It will be posted today. I will see you guys later. I am back. And in the kitchen. This will be the last part of this video, and right now we're going to be making no bake cheesecake. But instead of putting in this tub, I am going to be portioning them so I can eat them throughout the day. I am not going to eat them right away. That's because they need to be cold. And I got this because they didn't have the spread, so I ended up getting this. I already put it in the microwave, as you can see. And we're gonna get our containers. We're gonna put our containers and put them right here. Hold on, y'all. Now we're going to be opening this. Oh no. We're going to be opening the cookies. We're going to put some at the bottom of these containers. What's it? It should be like 4 cookies. These can just spin up straight. This is real easy to make, you guys. Now we want to put this inside here. I love cheesecake, so it is going to be a lot. We're going to smear it. Put it right there. We ain't going to use that much because we still gonna need some at the top. I'll be right back. Now we're going to put some strawberries. We're gonna basically layer it to make it good so it can be cookies and flavor through and through. You know? It's gonna look like this. I'm gonna come back. You guys, I am done. This was an easy recipe to make. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And this video will be posted today. It should be already posted if you're seeing this video late. So, y'all please turn on your notification bell. Check out my community tab. And thank you guys for watching.